Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today we will show you how to open the ASUS ExpertBook B1 and what's inside of it. To access this notebook's internals, you need to undo 10 Phillips head screws, then pry the bottom panel, starting from one of the front corners. Disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.